Hi everyone. So today we will be seeing about how we are going to create a beautiful traditional elephant drawing inspired by Madhubani art. So this is part 1 where I will be showing you how to draw the beautiful outline, and in the part 2 we'll be seeing the painting as well. So we start off by preparing our canvas. So using a ruler, I'm drawing a neat border along the four sides of the paper. This gives a defined edge to our artwork and also keeps our design focused in the center. Now in the center of the canvas, I'll be drawing a perfect circle, and this will be where we will draw the elephant later. A neat border always sets the tone for a disciplined artwork, so this is always very important, especially when we are doing geometrical patterns. Now that the canvas is ready, we'll begin sketching our elephant with the most recognizable part. That is, I'm starting with the elephant's ear. You do not have to be perfect, you can just start. Even a beginner can still draw it as you want. There is no rule that it has to be perfect. I am going for a gentle, flowy curve that gives the elephant a friendly, approachable look. And then slowly I outline the legs as well and give the overall body shape. Another quick tip would be always remember to keep your lines light so that you can refine them later in case you make any mistakes. Let your pencil flow naturally. Once the basic elephant outline is complete, it's time to infuse some traditional Madhubani style into our drawing. So I begin by adding some simple patterns to the elephant's ear and then to the legs. I then draw petal-like shapes around the circle as well to give it a cultural feel. Next, I draw a few birds and a few circles in between as well. These are a few very simple designs inspired from Madhubani. Madhubani art is all about repetition and symmetry, so try to maintain a balance as you add these patterns. You do not have to worry about any kind of perfection. These designs are meant to be simple. We can add some triangles and lines to the borders to give it a more refined look. So this will look like the frame in between which the elephant is. Although these details are very small, they can elevate your drawing to a great extent, from a basic sketch to a rich, culturally inspired piece of art. I also add some detail by drawing grass near the elephant. Finally, you can also add some patterns or small lines and shapes on the elephant, and this will enhance the traditional look and add to the depth of the drawing. Thank you for joining me on this drawing journey today. Today we have laid the foundation of a beautiful elephant drawing by setting it up on the canvas and outlining the out sketch. And I hope that in part 2 you will all join me back and we will see how we add color and further detail and bring this artwork to life. I will be using the DOMS watercolor pencils in part 2, so stay tuned. Thank you. Do like and subscribe for more. Bye bye.